So I got the stronger tool here to get in here better and really crack this baby open. Okay. Let's go in here. Go in here more. And I leave it there. So then we go in here. There we go. So that's where it clipped on hard. This gap here. Okay. So if we have this open, this way, we just peel it out of here. Like this way. Like this way. And be careful when you there's a little tab. So the tab has to go in here, this little tab. Let's have a look at the battery. It has one 18650 in it with a board on top here for the battery management. And look at this here. This is the connector to it. Do we know the size? There's the number. The model number 10314A, 1INR2271, 3.63 volts, lithium ion. Energy 17.43 watts, 4,800 milliamp hours. That's big. That's a good battery. Now, in order to plug this in, we go this way. It's not glued in, you can just plug it in. Go in there with your thumb and make sure it's connected and locked in. If you want to remove it, you have to push the pin down and then pull out. So now the battery goes in here like this. And that's it. That's how fast the battery is replaced. Now we can put this part back on.